The legal practice program, especially in the first year, is where students learn both the writing skills and then practical skills. I worked at a law firm this summer, and just being able to produce a memo like that is very helpful. William & Mary has a really great mentorship opportunity on many different levels.
I had the opportunity through the co-counsel program to get to know a mentor of mine. He's given me a lot of great advice, especially in his field of data privacy, where he's had a lot of experience, and that's been beneficial and tremendously helpful in terms of job interviews.
In the last 2 years, I was able to participate in 2 clinics. The clinic experience has really helped me over the summer to, as a summer associate, work better with my clients and really just figure out what their goals are.
Career service has been tremendously helpful. Anything from looking over your resume to helping out with mock interview questions, and I run all my cover letters through them, and I've actually gotten a lot of great feedback. The externship opportunities available through William & Mary have really prepared me to go out there into the professional world. I've had a chance to go into chambers, go into law firms. Not only am I learning, but I'm actually getting a feel of what it's like to be a lawyer every day in a professional office. I know a lot of recent graduates that have used fellowships and year-long clerkships to really get their foot in the door, and I'm really hoping to leverage that experience once I graduate from William & Mary.